Content creation for YouTube is easier than it's ever been, and that is thanks to the tools that we are able to have access to. And one of the most important tools, in my opinion, with YouTube is going to be AI. The power of AI is truly insane, and you can use it in so many different aspects when building your YouTube channel and consistently running it over time. So within this video, I'm going to talk about a few essential AI tools that you guys might want to get your hands on when you are running a YouTube channel or just starting one up. And I just want to throw out there, if you are a complete beginner when it comes to AI and YouTube, you've come to the right place. And let's say you've mastered YouTube, well, you're still in the right place. And you might be thinking, what does this girl know about YouTube? How is she going to, what does she know? What are her qualifications? I'm only going to be talking about AI tools that I specifically know will help you. And I know these tools will help you because my brother Matt has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt, but he also runs over a dozen highly profitable faceless YouTube channels as well. And I'm actually filming in his YouTube studio, and you can see some of his YouTube plaques behind me. So he knows a thing or two about YouTube, and he has passed down some of that knowledge to me. And within my YouTube channel, I'm making sure to take advantage of all of these tools and all of this information that he has shared with me. And I also want to take this information and share it with all of you, because why not? Why not? Let's get on that YouTube grind. But by using various AI tools, like a tool called TubeMagic, you can truly automate your content creation, meaning you can be making money with your YouTube channel when you're sleeping, and just overall, AI can truly save your time. Tasks that would have taken hours and maybe even days can now be completed in 2 minutes. So trust me, you're gonna want to use these tools. Utilize your resources. The first AI tool that I already mentioned, and it is truly one of my favorites, but it is a tool that is called TubeMagic. Now, I mention this not only because it's a great tool, but it is actually a product that my brother has created. And when he created this AI tool, he was thinking to himself, what would I want if I was starting a YouTube channel and I didn't know where to start and I just needed guidance? And that is exactly what he did with TubeMagic. TubeMagic can help you with so many aspects of your YouTube channel, whether it be coming up with the title of your video or coming up with different tags or the description for your videos. TubeMagic has got your guys' back. And now you don't have to sit here and brainstorm all of these different ideas. You can do it with just a click of a button. And you might be thinking, Kayla, I can come up with my own YouTube video titles and I can write my own descriptions. Well, maybe you can. But this tool can even generate scripts that you can use within your videos. And this can truly save you so much time. And if you take a look at some of the reviews for TubeMagic, you can see that it's truly working for people. And like I was saying, this is just such a great tool if you're a beginner to YouTube. And I'm also somebody that is kind of new to the YouTube game, as I only started this channel a few months ago. But when my brother showed me this tool that he was working on, I was like, what the heck? This is completely game-changing. It saves so much time. You don't have to overwork your brain. Say you have a headache and you don't feel like writing these scripts, but you need to get these scripts done, then use TubeMagic. And not only does TubeMagic just generate scripts and words in general, but it generates scripts for videos that can perform better. And something that I really liked about this AI tool is that it's very easy to use and very easy to understand, which is something that's very important to me because I hate downloading something and then not knowing where to begin. It's no fun. Now that we've talked about something that helps you create scripts and generate ideas overall for your YouTube channel, what about the visual aspects? And that is exactly where we're gonna go with our second AI tool that I love. And this is one that is going to be called Midjourney. One thing that Midjourney really helps you with is creating engaging thumbnails. And for me, when I go on YouTube and I'm scrolling, I'm thinking, what am I going to be watching today? I pay close attention to the thumbnails of the videos because these thumbnails, they reel me in. When I see an engaging thumbnail, I have to click on the video. I have to see what it's all about. So with all that being said, thumbnails are very important. Who knows, you might have clicked on this video because of the thumbnail. And when you think about it, very rarely, if you went on YouTube and everybody's thumbnails were just a black screen, it probably wouldn't be as fun as a platform as it is. And then you wouldn't even know what kind of videos you're clicking on. So needless to say, thumbnails are very important, and Midjourney can help you with that. All you have to do is plug in a few different words and keywords into Midjourney, and just overall things that are related to the topic of your video. You hand those words on over to this AI, and it will simply just create thumbnails for you that relate to whatever your video is about. But something to note is Midjourney is not just all about the thumbnails. They can help you within your videos as well. So let's say you need little animations in your videos, or different graphics, or a background. You can also do this all with Midjourney. Now that we're on the topic of the visual aspects of a YouTube video, which are very important because you want to keep your viewers engaged and entertained, I'm going to talk about another AI tool that can help you with this as well, and that is going to be one that is known as Storyblocks. Storyblocks is great because it can find you stock footage to use within your videos, and not only just stock footage, but very high quality stock footage. Storyblocks has a huge, and I mean huge, database of so many different graphics that you can use in your videos. And this can be things like music tracks even, or little video clips. Storyblocks is also going to be one that's a paid subscription, but I would say it's something that is worth the money. But in Storyblocks, you can just search for different footage that will fit the needs of your videos and use it simply. That's it. That's it, girl. And the content that they offer is also royalty free, which is something that we don't want to have to worry about. Nobody wants to get copyrighted. That is no fun. Nobody would love to. Imagine if you were like, yeah, I want to get copyrighted. That would be insane. And then all you have to do is download the clips and you have them. They're yours forever and ever. Now let's talk about voiceovers. And my brother has over a dozen different faceless YouTube channels, and for these YouTube channels, he needs to have voiceovers for these videos. But when you're running over a dozen different YouTube channels, it can be hard to sit down and record voiceovers for every single one of these videos and all of these different channels. Or maybe you just have one channel and you still don't want to sit down and record these voiceovers. I don't blame you. And this is where AI has our back again, and we can do this with something called ElevenLabs. All you have to do is put your YouTube script, maybe you got it from TubeMagic, you put this YouTube script into ElevenLabs and they can create very realistic robotic voices. So it's just a text-to-speech option. Something that is also very silly within ElevenLabs is you can take audio clips of your voice and then you can put your script into ElevenLabs and they can have you say the voiceover. However, some people might not be comfortable handing their voice on over to an AI software, which I completely understand, because what if they make a robot of you and yeah, and that's it. They make a robot of you and it's not what you wanted in this life. Maybe you did. Maybe you're like, oh my gosh, this is all that I ever wanted. I wanted to be a robot. Then cool. We don't know ElevenLabs is going to do that, but if you don't want to clone your voice, that is completely reasonable and okay, and if you do, that is completely reasonable and okay as well, and I'm going to stop rambling. But ElevenLabs has a very large database of a bunch of different voices that you can choose from. And like I was saying earlier, ElevenLabs is also a great beginner option. You don't need to have any crazy technical skills. This is just another platform that is super easy to use. And also, if you ever get confused with any of these platforms that I'm talking about, I would suggest maybe hopping on over to YouTube and watching tutorials, because I always take advantage of those free YouTube tutorials out there. I know I took advantage of those free YouTube tutorials when I was in statistics for school. Now, I know I said TubeMagic is one of my favorite AI tools, but another one of my favorite, I just love CapCut. I don't know why I'm CapCut's biggest advocate, and they're not even paying me to do so. I just really talk good about them all the time because it's just a great editing software, and we need an editing software because we've talked about how to come up with video ideas, how to generate scripts, how to do the voiceover, how to find clips to use within your videos. Now we need to talk about how to edit this all together. We don't know how to. We're lost. We're feeling lost. We need to edit the video to get it done and to post it. So let's talk about it. But one of the reasons that I truly liked CapCut the most is because of all of the tools that come with the free version of it that you don't see a lot in other free video editing softwares. And it's just perfect for beginners because I wasn't a crazy whiz in editing, but I do like making edits in my free time. I have an edit account and I post solely for myself. I just edit videos from movies. But CapCut, hey, it works. It does the job. And you could totally do it with YouTube as well. And all of my personal videos on my other channel, Kayla K, all of those videos were edited with CapCut. Am I saying CapCut or CapCut? I go between both of them and I know it's CapCut. Wait, no, it's CapCut. Oh my gosh, what is going on? CapCut. It's CapCut. Was I saying CapCut or CapCut this whole time? I don't know now, but CapCut, love it. But something that's very cool within CapCut is that it has AI tools as well as a video editing software. So you can add different effects and transitions, and I go crazy with the transitions, you guys, you don't even know. But just like ElevenLabs, you can even create an AI generated voiceover. Something that I also really like about CapCut is it can sync the audio to the visuals of what you're looking at. And I know I've talked about it in another video before, a long time ago, years and years and decades ago. But you can use CapCut to add captions and subtitles to your videos, which is something that's very neat. And it is also something that can keep your viewers more engaged. I'm somebody that loves subtitles and loves when it shows little words of what people are saying. All right, let's regroup, let's take a deep breath, let's calm down. Why are you freaking out right now? But let's talk about all of these tools that we have. We have, number one, we talked about TubeMagic, and we can use it to create scripts and video ideas. And then we talked about Midjourney, which can help us with more visual aspects of our channel, visuals within the videos, and also the visuals for the thumbnails. And then we hopped on over to Storyblocks, which also helped us with the visuals. I feel like I've said visuals 500 times in the past 2 minutes, but let's keep going. And after that, we moved on to ElevenLabs, which can help us do the voiceovers. And lastly, we talked about CapCut, my fave. Love you, CapCut. And all of these tools that we've gone over can truly help you and make your life easier when it comes to content creation. And I mean, there are times where you are going to have to get your human brain in there. Get that human brain of yours. It is in there. I know it works sometimes, but you're gonna have to take that human brain and you're gonna have to be a little creative. And that's, for me, that's one of the more fun parts of YouTube, is just the ability to be creative. So don't get lost in the AI world, but utilize the AI tools to help you and guide you. All right, let's just paint a hypothetical scenario, and you're ready to use all of these AI tools to create your own video. We hop on over to TubeMagic, we create the script, it does all that for us. We use ElevenLabs, they do the voiceover for us. And then we use Midjourney for the thumbnail and Storyblocks for different stock photos and videos. And we use CapCut, we edit that all together. But where are you in this process? You need to make sure that you're still bringing yourself to your YouTube channel because you want to be authentic with it. Make sure to throw little splashes of your personality within your videos, your humor, or personal life events that have happened to you and little stories, and just make it not so AI, but use AI to guide you, if that makes sense. Because you could use all of these tools all together and create a video that is pretty good, but it won't have those little personal touches that I know you can add. Okay, blah, 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 blah. We have talked about AI. AI is crazy, and we've talked about it over and over. We talked about these different tools, but how does one exactly make money with a YouTube channel if you're new to the game and you're not quite sure how to? Well, the truth is there are multiple ways that you can get monetized with a channel, and that's right. The first way you can get monetized is one that a lot of people probably know about and they think about when they think about making money on YouTube, and that is going to be being monetized on YouTube and being monetized by the YouTube company itself. But once you've made 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel, you become a part of YouTube's partner program. And this is where they start paying you for the ads that they're putting on your videos. And when your viewers watch your videos and they watch the ad, then power to you, you get the money. But that isn't the only way that you can make money with YouTube, which can be a little bit of a misconception. The second way that you can get monetized with a YouTube channel is going to be through affiliate marketing. And this is one of my favorite ways to make money with a YouTube channel because you can make money with YouTube before you get monetized by YouTube itself. I don't know how to YouTube. But with affiliate marketing, you just promote other people's products and specifically products within the niche of your channel because you want to promote products that relate to your target audience. You promote these products, and if somebody buys this product through your link, you get commission from it. Next, you could also go a little crazy like my brother Matt did, where you can create a digital product, which in his case, he created a course called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and he talks about all of these hidden tips and tricks with the YouTube game and how to master it. But as well as a course, you could create all types of digital products to sell, whether it be different courses and guides or even ebooks. Or you could switch gears and make money selling a physical product. And I feel like physical products were very popular whenever Logan Paul, that kind of era was going on. Logan Paul and Jake Paul, when they were selling merchandise and the Maverick hoodies and sweatshirts, that was his big thing. But you could create merchandise for your channel and sell it. Now, another way that you can make money with YouTube is through brand deals and sponsorships. If you're like me and you get a little bit nosy and you head on over to Social Blade and you just browse your favorite creators on YouTube to see how much money they're making with their videos. A lot of the time I'm thinking to myself, wow, they're not making as much money with YouTube as I thought. But that's also because they are making money with these other aspects, such as affiliate marketing or selling their own products, or through brand deals, which I see a lot of the time within people's videos. They'll take a pause and say, hey, I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, blah, blah, blah. If you have the ability to do brand sponsorships, I would suggest maybe doing them in the style that if anybody has ever watched a Mr. Beast video, he does brand deals and sponsorships so well that I'm still entertained when watching the ad. But that is essentially how you make money with a YouTube channel, and we can use AI to help grow our channel and reach this point of making a profit with our channel. And trust me, I'm not just talking nonsense here. I know that these strategies do work with these AI tools because these are tools that my brother shared with me to share with all of you. Now, as for you all, it is time to start putting these AI tools to the test when it comes to your own channel. However, if you're thinking, Kayla, I don't exactly know where to start when it comes to creating my videos and I'm still a little bit lost, then I would suggest you click on this video right here. It's basically a free course and a video that my brother made, and he talks about how to make money with a YouTube channel without actually having to make videos. And you won't want to miss it because there is a ton of value in this video. Just trust me. Click on it. Hey, click on it. Bye.